Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to configure fraud prevention on Shopify payments. First, go to the Shopify website and make sure you log it in. Then, from the bottom left corner, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Payments. Now, scroll down the page and click on the option that says View Payment Method Customization Apps. In the search bar, type Payment Fraud Prevention. You'll see several apps. Click on the one called Fraud Judge Fraud Prevention. Then click on Install and again confirm the installation. Once it's installed, click on Get Started. You'll now be asked to choose an action that should happen when fraud is expected or triggered. Then choose the type of verification you want, such as an ID, a selfie, or a utility bill. Now click on Continue several times to go through the setup steps. You will then be shown two plans, free and all-inclusive. For now, select the free plan. Next, you'll be asked to add a payment method. Click on Add Credit Card and enter your card details. You can also use PayPal by entering your email or mobile number. After filling out the details, click on Approve to finish the setup. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.